Bersatu Senator Rais Yatim has been elected as the new Dewan Negara president despite a bid by the opposition to block his candidacy. Out of the 65 senators in the upper house, 45 voted for Rais in the ballot, while 19 senators voted for PKR Senator Yusmadi Yusoff, with one senator absent. Rais, who replaced S.A. Vigneswaran, whose term expired in June, later took oath before Deputy President Abdul Halim Abdul Samad. These were among his first words as Dewan Negara President.
Juga disebutkan di dalam perlembagaan bahawa jika Dewan Rakyat terbubar atau dibubarkan oleh Yang di-Pertuan Agong, Senat tidak tercacat. Bermakna anggota kita di sini tidak terlibat dengan pembubaran itu. Justru pemikiran setiap senator harus sentiasa cekal dan tinggi. Dan kita harus memupuk perasaan suka menegur dalam konteks kita menegakkan yang benar dan mencari perkara-perkara memperkokoh tanah air kita.
Earlier, DAP Senator Nga Hock Che tried to block the presidential candidate proposed by Muhyiddin, citing that the Prime Minister was not a member of the upper house and therefore not eligible to name a candidate. De facto Law Minister Taqiyuddin Hassan, however, stressed that Muhyiddin, as the head of the Legislative Council, had the right to name his candidate.